Are you planning a trip to Iloilo? Let me take you to Garin Farm. This is located at San Joaquin, Iloilo. It's better to include this as part of your day tour if you're renting a car. This is the way that you can maximize your car rental, and if ever you will visit other nearby like Gimbal, because there's a lot of beautiful beaches along the way. But if your itinerary is only Garin Farm, then honestly, commuting is a better option. It's cheaper and very doable since buses and rides are already accessible. They have restaurant and hotel inside. Our travel time took 1 hour from Iloilo City proper. Now our journey here, entrance fee is 150 pesos. You can also avail a golf cart, so you don't need to walk along the way. The walk is long, so bring your own water. This place is not about religion alone. It's also about your reflection, peace, stillness, and reconnecting with yourself. Along the way, you will see all the statues that arranged from the Book of Genesis.
Someone is tired.
Hey, love.
I'm filming you.
I am your friend.
To Jesus Christ's ascension.
The moment that God shows to the disciple.
Finally, we reached the top. Let's come inside. As you enter this tunnel, you're starting to feel that you're leaving the world behind. We really enjoy taking photos here. Look at the lights, so beautiful. The background music here is perfectly matched. Regardless of your religion or belief, you should try to experience this, not to change who you are, but to feel the heaven while you're still on earth. When we reach the heaven, there's no rush, no noise, no worries. All we do is praise, worship, and felt the completeness. For the meantime, I let you to feel that you actually be here at Garin Farm. As we slowly walk towards the heaven on earth, let the sounds guide you and let the silence speak. And now, it's time to go back to the world. Our time has not come. Let's go back to the world. Okay. Taste that for a moment. Once you're done, you will find the farm area where you can sit, rest, and enjoy the view. Thank you for walking with me. Until the next journey.